Hi, welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. Today we are here in South Peak, San Pedro, Laguna to show you this modern contemporary home. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts. And please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. For the orientation nitong property, on this side, facing northeast, and on the other side, by the way, this is a corner property facing northwest. Tingnan natin yung other side. So let's take a look at this side first bago tayo pumunta sa harapan and pumasok doon sa gate. Okay, so talagang mahabang laka rin to, no? Facing northwest. So nandito yung entrance nyo for your additional 2-vehicle carport. Okay, so mamaya I will show you later. Bababa tayo doon sa may access kapag nandun na tayo sa inyong upper ground. Let's go back doon sa northeast side. So going back here sa northeast side of the property, on the left side, ito yung gate niyo for your 2-vehicle carport. So total of 4-vehicle carport in this property. And your spacious pedestrian gate. Ganon din dito sa inyong walkway going to your main door. Napaka-elegante tignan. By the way, for the flooring, waffle flooring, non-skid material sa mga dadaan, ganoon din para sa mga sasakyan ninyo. So, pasok tayo. Ayan, di ba? So, from that view, nakikita mo napaka-elegante tingnan. Okay, let me close this gate. So, coming from your pedestrian gate, with this kind of view, very elegant yung vibe, especially with your floating steps. With a combination itong mga step lights installed. Ang ganda rin ng texture because of the pebble flooring. Again, non-skid material, especially kapag nababasa. And on the right side, your spacious landscape garden. Napaka-gandang tignan, no? So on this side of the property, your area for your additional 2-vehicle carport. You can also notice yung taas ng ating ceiling. So if you have huge vans or SUV or yung mga coaster van, kasyang-kasya for the height, napakataas nito, no? Covered na rin kayo by a metal frame and acrylic. So outside elements, pero you still have the natural light in this area. On the left side of the property with an access going to your service area and your room for the staff, pero mamaya na tingnan natin yan later. Okay, so bago tayo pumasok dito sa loob ng bahay, tingnan muna natin yung paligid. So again, my favorite spot in this property or also the focal point, especially kapag ka nasa mga province area ka like San Pedro, Laguna, which is also very accessible going to Alabang, Philippines City or sa SLEX. Napakalapit din itong area na ito. So you can also enjoy this outdoor space. Napaka-fresh ng hangin. You have this kind of view, lots of trees, and elevated din yung property. So you have the commanding view nung kalsada coming from your property. And in this space, kunyari man, doon kayo magpapark sa inyong northwest side of the property, ito yung inyong access coming from your 2-vehicle carport. So parang you have 2 main doors. So nandun yung isang main door nyo. Okay. So sarap ng ganitong klaseng property, ano? Napaka-aliwalas. Especially, you have this kind of landscape garden. Very homey vibe. Talaga yung dating. Okay. So balik tayo dito sa inyong main door. So in this space, covered yung inyong porch, your solid wood main door with side viewing panels, and your modern door lock. Pasok tayo, and welcome to your home.
Please look directly at the camera.
So upon entering dito sa inyong main door,
Please look directly at the camera.
okay, so you will be welcome or greeted by an open layout design for the whole property or dito sa inyong ground level. Initial reaction, lots of natural light. Maybe this is a corner property Huge windows, huge sliding doors. Ang ganda ng cross ventilation at napaka-aliwalas. Well, yun naman talaga yung very crucial part ng pagiging modern, no? Yung less use of the AC, maximize the outdoor area, especially if you have lots of, yung malaking lot area. So, on this side of the property, ito yung inyong receiving or living space. We already have these furnitures para to help you imagine, no? Kung paano nyo i-maximize this area. So, you have your double height ceiling with already installed na chandelier. Tall windows on either side. Again, it allows lots of natural light. For the material use, powder-coated aluminum. So, these are high-grade powder-coated aluminum. Medyo mas mataas yung series nito than the ordinary windows or aluminum, no? For the flooring, homogeneous tiles, matte texture. Napaka-elegante, napaka-ganda ng gawa nila. It complements well dito sa buong interior. Okay, so adjacent is your dining area. 8-seater dining table with your hanging lights already installed. Ang ganda nung layout nitong property. Ang ganda nung pagkakagawa. Okay, so ito yung inyong lanay area adjacent to your dining space. So dito you have your endless transition coming from outdoor to indoor. Just open this area. Ayan, if you're into alfresco, talagang tuloy-tuloy lang yung hangin, which is one of the advantage of this property is naka-elevate sa kalsada, kaya ang ganda nung hangin sa buong property. So you have itong inyong side garden, your covered lanai with a canopy. For the ceiling, ang ginamit nila is spandrel PVC with woodgrain design. Okay, so coming from your dining area, tignan muna natin yung access coming from your 2-vehicle carport. So this is your second main door, no? Additional entrance. So kunyari man you have your vehicle there, mas madali nyo ma-access kaysa lalabas pa kayo ng mismong gate. Okay, so this is the area. Yung 2-vehicle carport nyo covered na rin by a canopy. Napakataas ng ceiling dito, no? Kunyari man you have more than 4 vehicles, pwede pa kayo maglagay ng lifters dito, yung car lifters. Well, depende sa inyo, but yung kalsada sa labas ng property, very spacious. And you can also maximize that area. Kunyari man you have your guest as your guest parking. Again, step lights installed. For the flooring, homogeneous tiles, rough texture. Okay, and on the other side, this is your main kitchen with your U-shaped counter. Lots of counter space for your food preparation. The area for your kitchen stools. So, pwede nyo gamitin to as your breakfast nook or informal dining. Maybe a quick work area. Pwede rin, no? You have these outlets para sa inyong appliances or gadgets. For our counter, quartz finish. Lots of counter space for your food preparation. Ang ganda ng triangle method in this area, no? So if you have, kunyari man, more than 2 person na nagpe-prepare ng food ninyo, napakaganda ng rotation nila dito. Yung triangle method na tinatawag. So we also have these integrated appliances, yung induction cook hub, your oven, and your range hood. Ay, ganda, no? Ganda rin ng color combination pagdating sa mga base and hanging cabinets. And by the way, these are modular cabinets. Ang ginamit nila is marine plywood with soft close hinges. So lots of storage space. Oh, your 2-door refrigerator. Kasama na rin yata ito. Ayan, so this is brand new. And your walk-in pantry para mas madali mag-organize ng canned goods or dry goods ninyo. But currently, wala pa yung mga shelvings ninyo dito. And kung ayaw nyo naman maamoy, no, yung lulutuin nyo in the future, we have this space. Yan, your double swing door. So, ito yung inyong auxiliary kitchen. Again, lots of counter space for your food preparation. Your 2 gas burners already installed. And your range hood For the counter quartz finish, ang ganda rin ng ginamit nila for the box plus, additional texture to the space. You also have these awning windows para mas maganda yung natural light and the cross ventilation. For the base and hanging cabinets, these are custom cabinets with soft close hinges, lots of storage space. And naganda rin ng space dito, napakaluwag din. And maybe in this area, pwede kayong maglagay ng inyong automatic washing machine or maybe dishwasher. Well, depende sa inyo. Pero ang nakalagay yata talaga dito is yung automatic washing machine with water inlets already, outlets, and yan, yung mga kailangan nyo for your automatic washing machine. And full rack cabinets, additional space para sa mga dry goods or canned goods ninyo. And on this side, ito naman yung room for your staff. Yan. And in this area naman, nandito naman yung inyong after the laundry, drying area. Excuse me lang kasi may mga unfinished area pa dito. We have this space dito sa inyong male staff quarters. And ito yung kanilang common toilet and bath, but currently may tao and may gamit, so hindi na namin may papakita sa inyo for now. And before we go up, tingnan natin yung bedroom 1 dito, sa ground floor. Ayan. So, kunyari man if in the future hindi nyo na kaya mag-stairs or simply kasama nyo yung parents ninyo or in-laws, this is the perfect spot for them kapag ayaw nila na stairs, or pwede rin gamitin for your babies or kids. So, this is the location of their bed frame. Huge window facing dito sa inyong vehicle carport, lots of natural light. You also have your ceiling fan to reduce the use of your AC. Speaking of, your split type AC and your ensuite toilet and bath. And deep cabinets for your storage space. Very organized yung look. Sleek in design. Walang awkward space on either side. Ganyan yung mga gusto kong pwesto ng cabinet. And by the way, you also have your floor-mounted AC dito sa inyong living area. Your fluted panels installed on this side, additional texture, and it also has this concealed door para sa inyong powder room. Ayan. Your automatic water closet and your huge sink or lavatory with pedestal. Ang ganda, parang one piece lang. Very elegant yung vibe. Ang ganda rin yung space na ito. Very sleek in design. And of course, your stairs. Akit tayo. For the staircase, solid wood staircase with step lights installed. Ganon din with the handrail, solid wood. Lots of natural light coming from your huge window. We have this cabinet in this area. So, kung ano man yung gusto nyo ilagay in that space. Here's the second floor. 4 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath each. And for the flooring, floorboards with wood grain design. So, in this area, itong inyong common area, pwede nyo gamitin as the family area, Ang ganda ng space na ito. You also have your indoor balcony facing dito sa inyong receiving or living space with your chandelier already installed. Of course, lots of natural light coming from your double height ceiling. A covered ceiling design with your ceiling fan. Ang ganda ng rotation ng hangin kapag may ceiling fan talaga. And ito yung inyong AC. Well, depende sa inyo if you want to enclose this area or hayaan nyo ng ganito. Mas maaliwalas tignan, Okay, so tingnan muna natin itong balcony. One of my favorite features sa bahay, yung may access sa balcony yung lahat ng tao. Hindi lang yan, naganda rin ng cross ventilation dito sa mga common areas at the second level. Okay, ito yung balcony. Ganda ng view nyo dito, Your landscape garden. And of course, yung kalsada sa labas ng property. Very close to nature yung vibe. And naganda rin ng cladding nila dito. Okay, so tingnan natin Itong bedroom na ito, this is your bedroom 2. Mapapansin nyo rin na napakaluwag ng mga ng mga bedrooms nila dito sa second floor. So this is the location of your king size bed. Again, huge window. The location of your television set, your split type AC, and your ensuite toilet and bath. Well, again, ganda talaga ng position ng mga cabinets nila. With soft close hinges, no awkward space on either side, no? Ganda. Okay, so coming from your bedroom 2, puntahan natin itong inyong bedroom 3 or the master bedroom. So this is the location of your king size bed. You also have again your ceiling fan. An access to your own balcony. Facing dito sa northwest side of the property. And again, you have that kind of view. Ang ganda, no? You also have your cabinets here for your storage. Again, you also have, by the way, your AC. And itong walk-in closet niya, additional space. Your dual sink, under-mounted sink. Gandang tingnan, no? Your cabinet and your vanity mirror. And on this side, ito naman yung inyong shower with enclosure and your water closet. Okay, so coming from your master bedroom, ito naman yung inyong bedroom 4. Again, you can also notice ang laki ng mga bedrooms nila dito, no? Location of your bed frame, the area of your television set, your cabinets, and your ensuite toilet and bath. And lahat ng rooms parang may ceiling fan din. Mas maganda kasi yung airflow kapag may ceiling fan. And lastly, your bedroom 5. And ang ganda rin yung location ng mga AC nila, no? Lahat nasa gilid lang. Your bed frame, television set, cabinet, and your toilet and bath. And that concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new modern contemporary home located here in South Peak, San Pedro, Laguna. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, my name is Dean and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you and see you next week.